Hey guys, this is a short introduction on how to buy Moonwell Artemis cover on InsurAce.io. First, click on Get Covered. You will be direct to our Buy Covers page. Remember to connect wallet. Make sure you select the Ethereum network. And then select your protocol here. When you're ready, click View Cart. You should see a summary page here, and put your wallet address, or you just click on the small button here and select your cover amount. We have 4 currencies for you to select. And then choose the duration of your cover period. It goes from 15 days to 19 days. When you're finished, you should see a summary of the cover payment here. Click I agree and then click confirm. Now you have it. Your Moonwell Artemis assets are safe in your hands.